Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can solve the account switching issue in Facebook Messenger app. Friends, please put your likes, also write comments and make sure you subscribe to our channel. So let us get down to this topic with you. And if you're having trouble switching your Messenger account, then you can try to solve it. To do that, go to your phone settings. Next, you'll need to scroll through, select Basic a little bit, and then iPhone Memory. Wait for it to load. After that, scroll down until you find Messenger. If you don't find it, press Show More. And then scroll down until you see the Messenger. Click on it. Now click on the Upload button. And after you unload this app after a minute or 2 minutes, click also in this place Reload. So friends, what can this action can give you? By reloading the app, all any corrupted files, corrupted data, all cache will be cleared, and due to this your situation can be solved. You cannot worry, all your data in Facebook Messenger application, all your correspondence and so on, everything will be saved. Just because of such actions, the application will update itself. After the reboot, Facebook Messenger, go to it and re-enter your details to log in. And then try to switch between accounts. If you fail to do that, friends, then unfortunately I'm going to make you sad, because then you'll either have to just delete the app and download it again after a while, or use only one account, because unfortunately, there are no other ways to try to solve this problem. Friends, this is the way you can try to solve the Messenger account switching problem. I hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please leave your likes, write comments, and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.